Last, may I request everyone to please stand. Vanessa, can you please lead our prayer? Good evening, grade 6 benevolence. Good evening. Okay, before you make a decision, look under your chair if there is a trash and pick it up and throw it under our class discussion. Are you done, class? Yes, teacher. Okay. Now you may not take your seat. Thank you, teacher. Okay, for checking your attendance, Geraldine as class monitor who are absent today.
Teacher, there's no absent today.
Okay, I am glad that everyone is present today. Okay, give yourselves Hello Kitty clap. Hello Kitty clap. Okay, I will teach you how to start clap of Hello Kitty. Everyone, stand.
Yes, teacher.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. Kitty. Now let everyone do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello. Kitty. Now everyone. Okay, for our classroom rules, let's remind you as let's read our classroom.
Listen with attention. Attentively raise your hand if you want to share your idea or ask questions. Cooperate with your groupmates during group activities. Be respectful and be polite to your teachers and classmates.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Now, class, this is our classroom rules. Now, class, do you familiar plant versus zombie?
Yes,
Okay, if you know the game plant versus zombie, everyone please stand up and show me what is the action of plant.
Ako yung sunflower.
Okay, this is the action of plant. You will be the
Tree.
and then how about the zombies?
Red.
Okay, now you may take your seat. For this activity, for this activity, who wants to read the direction or the instruction for this game? Okay, Mercy.
Identify underline sentence whether it is a cause or an effect. You will stand and act like a plant if your answer is a cause, and wiggle your arm like a zombies if your answer is an effect.
Okay, class, did you understand our instruction?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now for the first question.
We want to go through.
For the first question, Geraldine, please read.
Sheena eat a lot of sweets, so she got a tooth.
Okay, everyone, please stand and have your answer. Okay, now let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Now for the second question. Justin, please read the number.
Lazy ran fast because she is going too late. So he is very hungry.
Girl.
Okay, what is the answer? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Yay! Okay, everybody. We will now take Okay, last time we tackled about cause and effect. Again, what is the cause and effect? Yes, Aaron.
Teacher, yung cause ko, teacher, is yung dahilan po. Samantala mo yung effect ko, teacher, is yung epekto po mula dun sa cause.
Yes, correct. It's cause is the something happen in the effect.
Effect is the result.
Yes,
Yes, something.
cause.
Yes.
Yes, tayo.
Result.
Because yung reason kung bakit nangyari yung effect. Pag-brain ko.
Okay, class, we have a visitor for today. But before that, I want you to answer this riddle. And if your answer is correct, then our visitor will come. Now, everybody please read. He is happy go lucky, he's an apple under the sea, in the sea of bikini bottom. Now I see. Now I see.
Where is the apple under the sea?
He is SpongeBob. Yes, correct. He is SpongeBob. SquarePants. Now let's run SpongeBob SquarePants.
Under the sea.
Now, SpongeBob will be my partner for today. He will give you a lot of activities. And his first task is you will answer what will be the color or what is the favorite color of girls. And now, who wants to identify what is the favorite color of girls?
Teacher!
Yes, everyone.
Ako, teacher, favorite. Hindi po ako ganun, teacher, pero ano po, ito po yung favorite color ni Kat.
Yes. Now, please open that and read carefully.
Okay, first task, A or B. For this task, the class will be divided into 6 groups. Instruction: read and analyze the sentences carefully. Raise the letter A if it is a solution, letter A solution, and raise letter B if it is a problem.
Thank you, Aaron. And now you may have papers.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, class, did you understand the direction?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This will be the group 1. This will be the group 2. Group 3.
Ako po, teacher.
Group 4.
Marami po kami.
And then group 5. And group 6. Okay. Now again, raise the letter A if it is a solution. Now raise the A.
Hey,
Now raise the letter B if it is a problem. Okay. Now ready for the first question. Wow. Okay, who wants to read? Geraldine, please
Wow.
read.
Aaron was late getting to a movie. What are they going to do?
Okay.
Ako, teacher A, basahin mo pa? A, wait for the next movie. B, go on shopping.
Now, class, 1, 2, 3, raise your answer.
hey, kasi ano.
Wait for the next
Raise your answer.
movie. Ganun mo mag-shopping lang sila.
Okay, the correct answer is letter A.
Yes!
Because
Sabay ka dito.
Aaron and Karen is going to a movie, not in a they are not going to shopping or go to store, okay? The
Yes.
answer is letter A. For the next question, who wants to read?
Yes.
Yes, Mercy.
Jane is struggling with her school projects. What will she do? A. Ask you for someone's help. B. Buying ice cream for motivating yourself.
Now, what is your answer? Raise in 1, 2, 3.
A.
Okay, it's letter A. It's letter A because buying ice cream is just not temporary for helping you to help you in your school project.
Yes.
Okay, for the last, who wants to read? Yes, Vanessa.
Lynn was unhealthy. What did she eat? A. Eating fruits and vegetables. B. Eating junk food.
Now, what is your answer? 1, 2, 3, raise. Yes, letter because generally unhealthy is so big. She is eating junk food. Now, class, based from the activity, what will be our topic for today?
Teacher, I think from the
Teacher! Yes, Jocelyn.
I think about our topic about problem and solution.
Very good. Thank you, Jocelyn. This is correct. Our topic for today is all about problem and solution. Now, class 2. Now, class, SpongeBob is getting to rest for a while, but he will come back again for another activity. Now, let's say SpongeBob.
Bye, SpongeBob. Bye.
Okay, class. I will show you a video. Please listen it carefully, and you will sing it.
Yes, no. Wala na sila, no? Sila
Hindi ko lang dito kayo.
kumain lang ako. Ayun, makapiyan ka na. Ay, sino na kami? Sino na kami? Ako na kami. Sino wala? Hindi na kami hindi. Ayun, kasi hindi na niya. Hindi ko na
What needs to be fixed? What needs to be fixed? What needs to be fixed? The problem and the story. What needs to be fixed? Or what the learner was supposed to change? The solution and the story is how to get fixed. How to get fixed. How to get fixed. The solution and the story is how to get fixed. So that the next one how to get fixed.
Okay, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From the video, what is the meaning of solution?
Teacher,
Yes, Jocelyn.
solution in the story is how is it fixed so that there is a happy ending.
Okay, how about the problem?
The problem is the matter that needs to be fixed or the characters want to change.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Jocelyn and Geraldine. Now let us discuss the meaning of problem. Okay, who wants to read the meaning of problem? Yes, Jonathan.
Problem is something that goes, kind of challenges that need to be solved or to be fixed. yes, and should.
Okay, thank you, Jocelyn. Now, class, Jonathan. Now, class, problem is something goes up. Challenges that we need to be solved or to be fixed. Example, the problem in school, you have low grades in studying. And example, in your relationship with your family, there is a problem conflict with your brother and sister or your mother or father. Now, class, who wants to give another example of problem? What is your problem? Or rather,
Mental problem.
Ano?
Health problem.
Teacher, ako teacher.
yes, Aaron.
Yung problem ko po, teacher, hindi ko po nagawa yung assignment ko mamayang period.
Oh, yes, that's correct. It's a problem. Yes, Mercy. Yeah, there's a problem.
Okay, teacher. At this time, my problem is my stomach because I feel hungry.
Oh, very good. That's correct. It's a problem. Yes, Geraldine.
My problem, teacher, is that I didn't wash the dishes because I came here.
That's your problem at home that you didn't wash your face because you are studying.
I studied hard.
Yes.
I have also a problem.
Now, class, always remember the signal word of problem. Problem, trouble, puzzle, question, dilemma, challenge, and should. Now, class, did you understand the meaning of problem?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, let's move on to the solution. Okay, based from the song again, what is the solution? Yes, Geraldine.
The solution is how it gets fixed, teacher.
Yes, very good. It's how it gets fixed so that there's a happy ending in the story. Now let's just read the meaning of solution.
Solution is how we find a way which and answer the problem. May ito
Yes, nagugulat.
signal word. Solution, start, answer, solve, is the soup, that, the purpose of soup, therefore, leads to and further battle.
Now, class solution is a way. It is to find a way or to fix and answer the problem that we need to solve. For example, earlier that you have a low grade in class because you are not studying well. And now the solution is you will review your lessons, study hard so that you have a good future. Okay?
Yes! Wow!
And for other example of solution, example, your family had a conflict and you're going to do is to communicate with them and also be respectful to each other and be kind. Okay?
Yes,
teacher.
Okay. Always remember the signal words of solution. Solution, decided, answer as a result. This lead to, so that, propose of, so, therefore, leads to, and thereby. Now, class, did you understand the solution?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let us welcome again.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Good.
SpongeBob.
Now let us welcome again SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yay!
Okay. For the second task of SpongeBob, you will answer what is the color of the grass?
Teacher.
Okay, yes, Mercy.
Teacher, the color of the grass is color green.
Very good. It's color green. Now pick the color green so that you will answer your task for today.
Yung color ng Second class. Doing our own. Doing our own. Earlier, the class divided into 6 groups, and now your task is to divide the class into 2 groups. The group 1 will be even numbers, and the group 2 will be the odd numbers. So the instruction is identify the problem and create a solution based on the story. Write your answer in the Manila paper. Present your output in math.
Yes.
Now, class, did you understand our second task?
Yes, teacher.
I will divide you into 2 groups. The even number will be here, and the odd number will be here. The odd numbers will be here, the 1, 3, 5, and 2, 4, 6 will be here. Okay, I want one representative each group. For group 1 will be here, your materials. Group 2, here is your material. Read and understand the story and answer what is the problem and solution. And after that, okay, for the rubrics, who wants to read the direction? The rubrics for your group activity. Mercy,
Share rubrics, score. A presentation is 30 points, collaboration is 20 points with a total of 50 points.
okay, class. I will give you 5 minutes to answer that activity.
She was hit, dog to love, later. On Wednesday, Katie got home from school. She went to her room and looked for maps. She looked in the garage, she looked in the yard, she looked everywhere. No maps was found. She was sad. Katie was getting her. She was like, what's the maps? The problem is maps was lost. Kasi mga maps was lost. Tapos kung hindi ko lang pala siya. Wala pala worried siya. She got out Mac's favorite treats and began to walk. So, kinuha yung pagkain na waiting kasi. Sabi ni Max came running from her brother's room. He had been sleeping under the bed. He was so happy to have her there. So yung ginawa ng resolution na is, she got out Mac's favorite treats and began to cry. She got out Mac's favorite treats and began to call him. Treats and began to call him. Ayaw mo.
Class, you have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Move next one. We're done.
Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Sino mas maganda pa sa akin kung isang group lang ako. Isang group lang.
Now, group.
Yes,
Yes, group 2. Present your output.
Yes, teacher, for our group home, we are the even numbers. So, we have the AP and Max story. So, based on the story of the teacher,
The problem is Max was lost.
so Max is a dog.
Yes. And the solution, based on the story, she get out Max's favorite fish and began to follow him.
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's the correct
That's it.
answer of the test. Now, class, everyone, please stand and give ang galing-galing clap for group 2. Now, let's One, two, three. Ang galing-galing! Now, class, you may take your seats. Now, class, I am glad that everyone is cooperating with your group mates and presenting very well in front. I give the group 2 50 points and the group 2 will be get 50 points.
Yes.
Now class, SpongeBob has another task. For the question, what is the color of ocean or a sea?
Blue.
Rachel?
Teacher color blue.
Yes, correct. It's color blue. Now, can you please come here in front and get the task that you are going to read? Rachel, can you please get the and open it and
Creating my own individual task. Instruction. Identify the problem and create your own solution based on the form.
okay, class, did you understand the instruction of your task?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, class. Okay, class. What is the title of our poem? Now, group 2 will read first and second stanza, and the group 1 will read the third and fourth stanza.
Okay. When I have a problem and I don't know how to solve it, I ask you for your input and your help to solve it. Talking with you, cheers me. And it helps me to make me see my problem is not so difficult, so as it seems to be. Are we done here?
Yes, group 1.
Sometimes I just get overwhelmed and can't make a decision, but you speak to me so sensibly. I appreciate your vision, your soothing voice and common sense invaluable to me. Well taken, even when I don't agree.
Now, class, did you understand the poem?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, based on that poem, you will answer your question inside this activity sheets. Okay, get one and pass. I will give you 5 minutes to answer that task.
Hi, name.
Now you may start answering.
Yes,
I
teacher.
like that.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, now what is the problem in that phone? Yes, Geraldine.
Based on the woman, when the author have a problem and then solve it, yung naging solution niya daw po ay humingi daw po siya ng input and help daw para ma-solve po. So,
Yes, very good. It's correct. Another answer. Yes, please. Yes, Vanessa.
yung problem po, teacher, yung someone who wants to share their difficulties in life and yung solution po is he needs a listener, good listener, and share a good advice to their
Yes, thank you, Vanessa, for your answer. Yes, Geraldine, for sharing.
based din po teacher sa may Pombo teacher, pag daw po when she felt overwhelmed and can't make a decision, yung pagsasalita lang ng kausap niya ng sensitive, nakikiramdam, yung may empathy, at doon po na-appreciate niya na may nakikinig sa kanya.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Geraldine, for your sharing your answer. Now, class, there is another activity. Okay, who wants to get the task from SpongeBob's pocket? Now, what is the color of our blood? Yes, Vanessa.
Ano yung color ng blood ni SpongeBob? For the fourth task, my own solution. Instruction for teacher, identify a problem and create your own solution about climate change that is happening today.
Okay.
Di ba hindi na sa climate, hindi na sa global warming. Create your own
Okay, everybody, please read the climate change. Okay, I will read it for you. Climate change. Climate change affects the food supply of many types of animals around the world. Because of this, many animals are getting extinct are close to extinction. Climate change also affects the production of crops in many places. So, food supplies for human beings is also affected. As a further result, more people become poorer and malnourished. Climate change is the gradual changing of climate patterns in the world. This is caused by global warming. Heat from the sun is trapped in the lower atmosphere, so the air temperature above ocean continues to become warmer and warmer. As a result, we have stronger typhoons but hotter summer. So there are more floods. There are also more droughts. Now, class, I will give you a answer sheet to answer your answers. Get one and one.
Teacher, repeat it, teacher, tatlo lang. Teacher, yan.
What we're going to do is to identify the problem and create your own solution. What is the climate change that happening today? Or in our generation? Now guys, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, who wants to share their ideas or their answer?
What, teacher? Teacher.
Yes, Vanessa.
Teacher, my problem, our problem is climate change that happening today is extremely heat of sun. And the solution to teacher is we need to list the pollution of burning chemical that was occurring our ozone layer in the earth.
Okay, very good. Now other answer. Yes, Sherilyn.
The problem is the climate change. The climate change affects many people different because it affects the economy, it affects the people, it affects the lives of the people. So my solution teacher is to maglalakad na lang ako teacher, hindi na ako mag-focus ng Daragdag po sa pag-init po teacher ng mundo.
Yes, very good, Sherilyn. Now, I am glad that everyone answered is correct. Now, may I collect your answer?
Yes,
Okay. For your last task, for SpongeBob,
Teacher, pero I like that.
yeah. I like to
okay, for the last task of SpongeBob, what is the color of our sun?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Teacher, color yellow.
Yes, very good. It's color yellow. Now read the task.
The task is what's inside the pocket of SpongeBob. Okay, the instruction is all students will come in the front, then get the reward inside the pocket of SpongeBob. But some reward had a questions. Your task is to answer it correctly so that you will get some other reward. Okay, understand this?
Did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now line up this row and row.
Yes.
Now you can get that what inside the bucket of SpongeBob.
Ay, may papel.
Oh my God! Wala naman.
Okay.
Ano yung naman dalawa? Wala yung possible na lang.
Dalawa ang laman ng ano po.
Dalawa, ano lang.
Kasi sumama yung isa.
So, this how to be fixed.
Now,
And
who will get the question? What is our lesson for today? What is our lesson for today?
Teacher, ano ko sila teacher? What is our new topic? Our topic for today, teacher, is all about the problems and the solution.
Okay, very good. Sherilyn, now come here in the front and get your another reward.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now for the second question, what is the meaning of problem?
Ako, teacher.
Yes, Vanessa.
The definition of problem, teacher, is something that does happen. That's what kind of challenges that need to be solved or to be solved.
Okay, now Vanessa, can you please come here and receive your another reward? Now class, again, what is the problem? Problem is
Something
goes everybody.
That they need to be solved or to be fixed.
Okay. 1 minute to be please. Okay, now the second question is what is the meaning of solution?
Teacher.
Yes.
Ako yun. The meaning of the solution is something how to be fixed.
Yes.
If how it gets fixed. Get fixed or how to be fixed. How?
Okay, very good.
Get better
Oh,
fixed.
yeah.
Okay, here is our other one. Now class. Okay, solution is everyone please read.
Solution is how to find a way. Fix and either a problem that we can solve.
Okay, solution is how to find ways, fix and answer the problem. Now for the other question is can you give one other signal words of problem and solution? Okay, yes.
Some example of signal words in problem is the word should, and word the solution is the word let.
Yes, correct. Now, for the last question, what is the importance of
Again, yung teacher.
problem and solution?
Teacher, for me po, the importance of problem is it teaches us how to detect the solution. Kasi kung hindi natin malalaman yung problema, hindi natin maayos yun. But the essence of this lesson po para sa akin, teacher, is the importance of a solution. Lagi mo natin natandaan na katulad din po ng math, di ba, ang math po laging may problem, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na magiging problem siya. Kasi lahat ng math problem, mayroong solusyon.
Yes,
So, yun ang-
yes, Aaron, now get your reward.
Thank you, teacher. Wala ka na pinatulungan.
Now, class, I am glad that everyone is listening and you know what is our topic for today. Now I will give you an answer. We will have a short quiz.
Yay, Krishna!
Okay, for get one in class. Okay, are you done answering?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, now who got the 10 points?
Dear!
Yes, very good. Now give yourselves a wonderful clap.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Wonderful! Now, get for your assignment. For your assignment, who wants to read? Yes, Jonathan.
Direction. Write at least 5 problems in your community and create a solution about that problem. Write your answer in one whole sheet of paper.
Now, class, did you understand?